Hello everyone and welcome back. In our last video, we finished with the vacuum epoxy resin casting stage of our current transformer. Today, we are at our in-house testing laboratory. This is the most critical station of our CT production. This is where every CT has proved its quality before leaving the factory. Let's get started.
The first test conducted on the CT is the power frequency withstand voltage test and the partial discharge test. A voltage higher than the rated value is applied to check for breakdown and to detect any tiny discharge signals inside the insulation. The next test is the accuracy and error test. This checks not only the deviation between the actual and rated ratios, but also the phase angle between the primary and secondary currents. Later, the secondary winding withstand voltage test is conducted on the CT. The purpose of this is to verify the insulation strength of the secondary winding and its circuit. Finally, we perform the excitation characteristics test to evaluate the magnetization characteristics of the CT core and assess its overall quality.
And this ends our testing procedures. In our next video, I'll be taking you through cleaning, labeling, and packaging of our CTs. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.